So 5 weeks off, but now you're back at work.
Yep, back to work.
How are things going at your show?
Everything's great. We're really excited. We're kicking off the second season of Daily Mail TV today, actually.
Jesse's show.
Super excited about this. So we've got some unbelievable exclusives lined up for the start of season 2, one of which is a sit down. I went up exclusively to Alaska, and I got to sit down with Sarah Palin and her husband Todd and talk to her about the last 10 years since she ran for vice president. We talked about her family. She cooked me moose chili.
Much different than the south of France cooking in the meringue.
Very different,
Yes.
but still very delicious. And then her husband Todd was kind enough, he took me up in a seaplane.
Well, that's cool.
Which was gorgeous through the mountains up there. But really, we're super excited. People at home need to check out their local listings for times for our show.
Let's check out a clip of your show.
One of the things I'm really excited about is the famous moose chili. I keep hearing about it. And I got to imagine up here in Alaska, especially in the colder months, this must be phenomenal.
Yeah, but it does taste better with, I think, cheese with some sour cream.
I've been waiting for this.
Yes!
Yeah, and I'm not just saying that. And I'm not just saying it. I fancy myself a little bit of a chili connoisseur. This was outstanding.